Here I'm working on a 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This one has an issue with the gauge cluster. So customer states that nothing works, and then every now and then when he hits a bump, it will come on and work fine for a bit and then quit again. So when I started it up, the gauges came up for a second and then dropped out and never came back on after that. So I'm gonna get this cluster removed and repaired. To remove it, there's two 7mm screws, one here and one here, which looks like the customer already removed. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble it for, oh, there everything came on. Well, there you go, that's what it's doing. Kind of a intermittent issue. A 7mm screw here and there. As you can see, it was already removed. Four more bulbs right there. Once all the screws are out, just grab it right there and just work it loose. I'm gonna need two hands, so I got it out. There's two plugs right there on the headlight switch, and I had a aftermarket radio, so I just kind of moved it like this so I don't have to deal with the connectors. So this cluster is held on by four 7mm screws. I'm gonna get them pulled off real quick. To get the plug off, there's a little tab right here that you need to push and then pull the gray lever over the tab. Yeah, I'm gonna need two hands for this. Once it's pushed, just move it all the way over. So to take the shift cable off, I decided to take the lens off. It was kind of tricky. You have to work off all of the tabs with a curved pick. It wasn't too hard. So once that's off, just to remove the shift cable, just push on this tab and pull out. Same with here, just push and pull out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and rebuild this and I'll show you the end results. Well, I got it all back together and it works just like it should. If you have an issue with your gauge cluster on one of these cars, I'll have a link in the description where you can make the purchase to send it in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.